GDPR compliance is a sensitive issue when you are taking in users' data using an online form. Drag and drop the GDPR agreement field from the advanced input fields, or click on the GDPR agreement field to add it below the last field in the form editor. You can also add a GDPR agreement field clicking the plus icon on the previously added input field and select the GDPR agreement field from the list. To enable customization, hover and click on the edit icon on the field. Define admin field label to keep a note for yourself or the other admins if necessary. Only the admins can view this. Users can't. Write the content in HTML for the GDPR agreement checkbox in the description field. Container class can be used to add custom CSS classes to the field's wrapper. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.